In this video, I'm going to demonstrate to you how to adjust the sound level of the system while you're doing a sensitivity equalization or a calibration measurement. So I have logged in to my system and I'm at this chirping page. I notice that my gain is at negative 100 dB, so the chirps are going to be very soft. First thing I do is enable a driver, for example the tweeter driver, and then I click inside the target to hear the chirping. Now whilst it's chirping I can adjust the gain. You want to aim to have the sound level at roughly a loud speech level, which is around 60 or 70 dB SPL.